Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today we dive into the latest marvel from OnePlus, the OnePlus 13R. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset under the hood, this phone promises to redefine the mid-range flagship category. Could this be a game changer, outshining competitors like the iQoo 10 series and Realme Neo 7? Stick around as we explore its build quality, design, performance, display, camera, and price. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. The OnePlus 13R is a beauty to behold. Encased in a premium glass front and back with an aluminum frame, it's not just sleek, but durable. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 adds an extra layer of protection against scratches and drops. While the IP64 rating offers dust and splash resistance, a higher IP67 or IP68 rating would have been a cherry on top. In terms of design, expect a familiar OnePlus aesthetic, minimalist yet stylish. The camera setup on the back is clean and well integrated, complemented by slim bezels and a barely there chin. Available in sophisticated blue and gray hues, it's designed to turn heads. While we speculate there could be a surprise design overhaul, the existing setup is a solid bet. Get ready to be blown away by the 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO4 AMOLED display. This screen is not just large, but packed with features. Boasting 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision certifications, it delivers an unparalleled viewing experience. The 450 ppi pixel density ensures sharp visuals, while the 10-bit color depth offers vibrant and true-to-life colors. Peak brightness reaches a staggering 6,000 nits, making outdoor visibility a breeze even in direct sunlight. Whether you're streaming movies or scrolling social media, the immersive experience is second to none. Widevine L1 certification also means you can enjoy HD content on streaming platforms seamlessly. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is a beast of a processor. Built on a cutting-edge architecture, it's faster, more energy efficient, and designed to handle anything you throw at it. Clock speeds peak at 3.4 GHz, ensuring buttery smooth day-to-day performance. Whether you're multitasking with heavy apps or gaming, there's no lag. Advanced thermal management plays a crucial role here. A dedicated cooling chamber minimizes heating issues even during intense gaming sessions. Paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3 storage, the phone achieves lightning-fast app load times and data transfer speeds. Benchmark lovers, rejoice. The OnePlus 13R scores over 2 million on Antutu, placing it firmly in the flagship territory. Gamers, rejoice! This phone supports up to 90 FPS gaming, offering smooth and immersive gameplay. Titles like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and Genshin Impact run effortlessly at max settings. Advanced cooling ensures consistent performance without throttling, even during marathon gaming sessions. The Adreno 750 GPU further enhances graphical performance, ensuring detailed visuals and fluid animations. Combine this with the haptic feedback system, and you have a gaming phone that feels every bit premium. Now let's talk about the cameras. The 50-megapixel primary sensor promises stellar photos with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. Paired with OIS, it's perfect for low-light shots. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens captures expansive landscapes, while the 2-megapixel macro lens is a bonus for close-up shots. On the front, a 16-megapixel shooter ensures your selfies look sharp and detailed. AI-powered features enhance portrait shots, while 4K video recording at 60 FPS ensures cinematic quality videos. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, the OnePlus 13R ensures all-day usage. From binge-watching to gaming, this battery can handle it all. But that's not all. Thanks to 150-watt Super VOOC charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes. For those who value wireless charging, it's sadly absent. However, the blazing fast wired charging more than compensates for it. The phone runs on Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14. Clean, fast, and packed with features, it's a joy to use. Customization options, improved animations, and seamless multitasking make it a standout in the software department. Long-term updates are guaranteed, with OnePlus promising 4 years of software support and 5 years of security updates, ensuring your investment remains future-proof. With a rumored starting price of INR 39,999, the OnePlus 13R undercuts many competitors. It directly challenges the likes of the iQoo 10 series and Realme Neo 7. But does it come out on top? Compared to the iQoo 10, the OnePlus offers better thermal management and software support. Against the Realme Neo 7, it shines with a superior display and build quality. The OnePlus 13R is a near-perfect blend of performance, design, and affordability. While it may lack certain features like wireless charging and a higher IP rating, its overall package is hard to beat. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or someone who simply loves a premium smartphone experience, this device checks all the boxes. So is it better than the iQoo 10 series and Realme Neo 7? In many aspects, yes, but we'll let you decide based on your priorities. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you pick the OnePlus 13R over its rivals? Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll be back with more exciting reviews and comparisons. Stay tech savvy, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy scrolling.